Rose is in danger. I will show you why very soon. But with the recent developments from the Oasis network team, there's also a chance that Rose could push even higher from here towards $1. So in this video, let's look at Rose and my short-term to medium-term price targets for Rose. What's good, guys? It's Seth with Ascent22.com. As a reminder, I am only sharing my opinions, so nothing in here should be considered as financial advice. Let's start off by looking at this article from Cointelegraph explaining why Rose is pumping. So Cointelegraph has cited 3 reasons why Rose is pumping. The first reason is the $160 million ecosystem development fund. The second reason is the release of the Oasis AI Rose NFTs. And the third reason is the expanding ecosystem with a decentralized exchange and a bridge to the Ethereum network. So now we know why Rose is pumping, but why am I saying that Rose is in danger? Well, from the forward chart, we see that Rose recently broke above this ascending channel pattern, but then the price got rejected at about 43 cents, right? And the price is back trading in this ascending channel pattern. And now this ascending channel pattern is usually a bearish indicator, and it normally predicts that price will break below the support line and head towards the base of the pattern. And the price at the base of the pattern is 30 cents. So if Rose breaks below 36 cents, then we will have to watch for the 30 cents price level. So that is why I'm saying that Rose is in danger. But why am I also saying that it is possible that Rose could break even higher and push towards $1? Well, when we look at the VPVR, so when we look at the VPVR over here, we see that the 43 cents is the last support line that Rose has to break above. If Rose is able to break above 43 cents, then Rose will increase its chances of pushing higher towards $1, right? And if Rose breaks above 43 cents, the price targets that I'm looking at is at the 618 Fibonacci extension level at about 46 cents, and also the 786 on the Fibonacci extension at about 53 cents, right? If Rose is able to break above those two, then Rose could push even higher, and we could even have price pushing towards the 1.618, which is at about 87 cents, right? So those are the price to watch. But now let's look at some indicators. Let's look at the RSI. From the RSI, Rose is looking bullish. The RSI is trending up, and the RSI is currently at 64. But I do expect some pullback soon in the shorter time frame, because when we look in the forward chart, the RSI in the forward chart, we see that Rose recently went overboard, and it looks like we are getting a reset back to the midpoint. So I do expect some pullback soon for Rose, but if the RSI is able to maintain above this trend line over here, if it's able to stay above this trend line, then Rose could continue the bullish move and push higher. So that would be something to watch. But let's look at the MACD as well. So let me switch to the MACD. And from the MACD chart, we see that the momentum is peaking out, right? We had a peak out. The momentum peaked out over here, and it looks like momentum is peaking out over here as well. So that is confirming a possible reversal for Rose in the shorter time frame as well. Let's look at the MACD. The squeeze momentum. The squeeze momentum is also confirming a gain of momentum, but it looks like that is also peaking out, right? Momentum peaked out over here, and then it looks like we are not yet going through a release. It looks like momentum is going through a squeeze, and it has not yet been released. So this could be a fake out, so be careful out there, guys. Now looking at Rose in the daily time frame, it looks like Rose is forming a hockey stick pattern, right? So that is the hockey stick pattern right there. And now if you've been following my channel, then you know that these hockey stick patterns do not end well. Back in November, we see that Rose formed a hockey stick pattern over here, and then after that we had a 50% dump. Back in September as well, we had a hockey stick pattern over here, and Rose dumped after that, another 50% dump. So if you are not buying for the long term, do not jump in without proper risk control over here, or risk management, right? Do not get caught lacking. Use proper risk management if you are not buying for the long term. Now make sure to help a brother out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. My name is Seth, and I make crypto content that makes you more money. So if making more money with cryptos is something you are interested in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications as well. And let me know which other coin you like for me to cover in the comment section.